Lamumu the glowing plush. In the butterfly's valley, on a sunny shop shelf, a small plush named Lamumu waited patiently. Lamumu dreamed of a cozy home filled with hugs and laughter. Its little heart glowed softly, promising comfort to anyone in need. Every morning it whispers hope to the toys around it. One day, a shy girl named Lulu walked in, holding her grandmother's hand. The shop felt warm and safe, though everything looked new to her. Her eyes sparkled when they spotted a glowing plush on the shelf. Wow. Lulu stepped closer, her heart fluttering with wonder. Lamumu stayed still, waiting as Lulu reached out with trembling hands. Their hug felt like sunlight blooming inside a quiet heart. A shower of tiny sparkling stars danced around their embrace. For the first time in a long while, Lulu giggled with pure joy. Grandmother smiled, gently placing a loving hand on Lulu's shoulder. Her eyes seemed to say, "You've found a magical friend, my dear." Lamumu's tiny satchel peeked open, revealing shining, kind notes. Together, they walked to the counter to bring Lamumu home. A bright, cozy room welcomed them with soft blankets and storybooks. Lamumu's gentle glow filled every corner with warmth and comfort. They played, giggled, and shared little secrets. When sadness tried to visit, a small light answered with courage. Lulu opens the tiny satchel and discovers happy little messages. One said, "You are a star shining like a tiny sunrise." Another whispered, "Your smile has magic, warm as morning tea." Inspired, Lulu began writing her own joyful note. At school, she tucked a bright note into a friend's desk. A shy classmate read it, and a small smile began to bloom. Soon, the hallways filled with kindness, like sunbeams passing along. Every note became a small light, traveling from heart to heart. That night, Lulu and Lamumu snuggled beneath moonlit curtains. When worries stirred, Lamumu's glow answered softly with calm. The room felt like a lighthouse guiding a small, brave heart. Sleep came easily, wrapped in warmth and gentle breaths. Morning returned to Butterfly's Valley, bright and full of color. Lulu shared her notes, and smiles bloomed like springtime across faces. Little lights traveled from heart to heart, spreading joy all day. In every hug and every smile, a little magic kept growing.